Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Kaufmo's door icon from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the hat. Let's start with a curve over and then down to the right. Now from both ends, let's curve it up. And then another curve across the top. Now for the top of the hat, let's draw two angled lines going up to the right, forming a pointed V shape. And then add a circular curve at the top. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move down and start drawing the head. Let's start with a curve down underneath on the left, stopping about here. Now underneath, let's add the mouth. Let's start with a curve. Then let's move over to the right and let's draw a curve over here for the other side. Now for the inside lines, let's draw a curve down and back up to connect them. And the same thing on the outside. And lastly, let's draw a curve inside. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop on top and add the eyes. Let's start by drawing two small ovals on top here. And then color them both in black. Now on top of each eye, let's add a small triangle. And then color both of these in black as well. And then do the same thing underneath each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move back out and finish drawing the shape of the head. Underneath the mouth on the left, let's draw a curve down and over to the right. Now let's hop back up under the right side of the hat. Let's draw a curve in and then down. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now let's draw the collar around the neck. Let's draw a small curve out on both sides. And then continue it all the way down and around with a wavy line. And then let's move inside and let's draw some small curves all the way around, starting from the neck going out. Next, let's draw the shape of the circular icon. Let's start on top next to the hat and let's draw a circular curve down and bring it up on the right side. Lastly, let's hop back inside and let's finish the body at the bottom. Underneath the collar, let's draw a small curve down and then a curve down on the right. And that's it for Kaufmo's door icon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!